Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never, ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango. And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is going to be a very quick brag and analysis on Luna. That's right, I have Sean with me today. Sean, say hi.
Good morning, everyone, and I hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful weekend.
Yeah, it's a Saturday, nice lazy weekend. Sean, while we were being lazy, Bitcoin has been moving, and just look at this chart. Now, we had postulated this move, right? We were looking at the resistance, but you noticed a signature, which was the Ichimoku cloud, and how price has been reacting off that cloud, and we've set in a signature, and dude, it played out to the T. Would you like to take this moment and... you know, say I told you so?
No, Krisha, you're saying I told you so enough for both of us. What I really like is how perfectly the squiggly line played out, right? It's almost as though when you draw these squiggly lines, price follows the squiggly lines. It's like Hartman from the C program says, do not underestimate the power of the squiggly line. Look at that. We drew this down earlier this morning. Price came down, literally wicked right over there, right? Because we're looking at how the 21 EMA is likely going to shoot up over here, line up with this red line over here with the top of the cloud. And my, oh my, that was perfect. And what do you think now, Kusha? Upside or?
I'm saying upside because of how well this candle has reacted. Also, just a quick heads up, for those of you who did not catch today's video on Bitcoin, definitely go ahead and do so. I will be linking that above as well as below. I noticed the Mango Bottler took a break when we published it, so it never really got onto the Discord chat.
Some people are not getting notifications on YouTube either, so go ahead, watch that video. Hopefully you guys get a notification for this video. Make sure you guys hit the bell notification icon too, because we are doing 2 videos a day and people aren't getting the notification. With that being said, Krisha, Luna.
Yes, let's get on over to Luna. Now here we are. This chart is looking absolutely spectacular, but what I really like about this is, Sean, how well Luna has reacted off that Mango dynamic, right? So we've had the tempo go off once again right here. This was when the 12-hour candle of 27th of August. Now we're still green, and this is threatening a breakout. If I just go ahead and smack a horizontal right along here, which comes in at around $33.40, give or take, notice what that activates. I'm just going to zoom out of this chart, put this into perspective, and that is a beautiful bull flag, Sean.
I have thought you were going to say that's an inverted head and shoulders or inverted Adam and even, and hey, you could make an argument for that, right? It's a little bit rounded over here, and we have a little bit of a steep formation over here, so why not, right? We don't see these as continuation patterns often, but this does have a measured move that we could go ahead and look at as well. Let's go ahead and let's see what we get. Luna shooting for, what is that over there, Krisha? Go ahead, pull that back down. $41. It's sitting currently at around $33. So nice $10 move if we do see that. Okay, so what I'll be looking for personally, you can tell me if you disagree. I'll be looking for a 12-hour candle close above $33 and the high being taken out. That would be enough for me to activate this trade. Looking for that $10 move to around 42.
Yeah, and what I'm noticing is also, now that is just the, if you're being conservative with the measured move for Luna, it would be around that $42 mark. However, if you're looking at this as a bull flag, suddenly that measured move becomes a lot bigger than even 42. It's likely going to take Luna to some higher numbers. So let's go ahead and, you know, make things a bit exciting and take it from the pole all the way to the break. And let's see where that takes
55, I think?
Up to around $50, give or take, right? But Sean, you brought up something earlier, just not too long ago, I believe about an hour, 2 hours ago. You noticed something playing out on Luna against Bitcoin, the Luna BTC pairing.
It was actually people on the in the Grove, Discord Grove, they were looking at Luna, so I should not be taking credit for this chart at all. I was just looking at how well it was reacting off the dynamic and thinking to myself, damn, I should have really been in this trade each time, especially 12-hour charts on altcoins. I love 12-hour time frames especially when they are working so perfectly on the 12-hour time frame, because it allows me to be a lot more aggressive with how I get in and get out of my trades, right? I don't need to stay in the trade too long, but at the same time, I don't need to stay I don't need to get too sucked into the lower time frames. And here the 12-hour time frame looked fabulous. So yeah, Luna, Kusha, we've been talking about it on our daily videos too, because it looks so fabulous on the dashboard. Each time it was always the coin that was up, 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 up. And again, this points to that idea or that notion that I've been trying to teach all of you guys in the Mango Grove community, that coins that are strong continue to be strong, right? People think, oh, no, I'm going to go ahead and buy a coin that hasn't moved yet, and then we'll go ahead and catch up with Luna, with Solana, with Cardano, but that's not the case, right? You're seeing Solana keep going and going, and people are like, damn, this thing won't stop. Why are they saying that? It's because they're not in the trade. They're like, why is this not stopping? Because they feel bad about not being part of it. That's one of the reasons why the coins just keep drifting up, because the markets find a way to inflict pain in bullish scenarios and bear scenarios. So Luna still going up, Solana still going up, Cardano still going up. We are in 2 out of the 3 trades. I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, Kusha, we can look at Luna BTC. That's doing something interesting too.
Yeah, so what I really like about Luna BTC, guys, is the fact that, well, it is just, how about we first, reveal the chart. Yeah. It's trending against Bitcoin. Now we're seeing that Bitcoin is getting picked up on those lower time frames, and we saw price actually come down to the level that Sean mentioned earlier today, which was at 4-hour 21 EMA as well as cloud support. And hell, we saw a beautiful reaction from the bulls, right? So we're seeing strong price action on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is still in that uptrend on the higher time frames. But what's really cool about Luna, okay, we're seeing Bitcoin trend up. But what this chart is telling us is that Luna is trending harder than Bitcoin. It is the stronger asset between the two, okay, as things stand right now. And Sean, I'm noticing a break of a pattern, a beautiful, much, much, much more beautiful pattern on Luna BTC, right? And in fact, you can actually just draw it out right here. And I do believe that we have the volume to support it. Now we're seeing that beautiful symmetrical triangle. We're seeing that volume come in right now to give us that official break. And hell, if this gets activated, let's go ahead and plot out the measured move of Luna. Let's see. And this is, once again, guys, this too is a bull flag, right? Yeah. You can see the pole right here. So the measured move that I'm about to reveal to you is just the, it's the conservative measured move between the two, okay? Now this too, guys, would take us up to around 8,856 sats. Okay, so that is going to be a nice, beautiful move from where we're at right now, or let's take it from the break to that region. That's a good 31% to the upside. Right, so this is Luna right now, even against Bitcoin, is looking strong, and that's essentially the asset, the kind of assets you want to be in.
Yep, exactly. Again, coins that are trending strong continue to trend strong, right? The trend is your friend until it's not. Let's go ahead and do the measured move for the pole, Kusha, and that's pointing to around 10,000 Satoshi. So there we go. 10,000 Satoshi could be the second target. These could essentially be profit-taking targets on each level, or you could stay in the trend until the trend ends. Or hey, you don't have to trade this at all. Just use this video as a learning opportunity. In fact, do not just shadow trade or copy trade anything that we discuss over here. You guys should be using these videos only as learning and combine it with your technical analysis, with your tools holistically. Use everything at your disposal. Do not copy people. It does not end well, ever. Because remember this, guys. Okay, you may know when to enter based on Mango being bullish or so-and-so person being bullish, but what's more important, what's always going to be more important, is knowing when to exit. That is what's really important. There we go, Kusha. Luna is ticking up right now. Right now. Yeah, I really like this one. They were talking about it in the Grove, and I looked at it and I'm like, damn, that actually looks really good, guys. Good find on this one. But we should have known better. The dashboard, I want to go ahead and take a look at that right over here. Especially I want to look at the two. Oh yeah, quick update for you guys from the Bitcoin video this morning. We were talking about how we were looking for the 4-hour trend, right, that was long, had flipped long 15 hours ago. We're looking for this to flip on over to, or rather cascade on over to the 12-hour time frame on Bitcoin, and we are now seeing that as well, right? So not only did that Ichimoku 21 EMA play pan out, the dashboard too now has flipped along like we were looking for it to do so. And now this is not about, oh hey, I told you so. This is more about, hey guys, look at what's happening. Our thesis is going in our direction, right? That should add strength and conviction to you as a trader, or rather to us over here as traders, to be able to be like, okay, our view on the markets are correct. We are understanding what is going on over here. We know what the market direction is currently for the midterm trades, right? So use that for conviction to put on your trades, right? So that's how at least I approach the markets. I want to know that the market is doing what I expect it to do, and that's when I get the confidence to start going ham on my trades. So yeah, Kusha, I'm interested on Luna because it's been doing so well on the dashboard. And look at that over here.
Wow.
34 days ago on the 2-day time frame over here. All you had to do was get into the trade, combine it with the dynamic 2 if you had to, right? Again, you should actually holistically all your trades 294% up against USDT. Actually, Krisha, this is where it gets super interesting. While every other coin flipped long on their Bitcoin pairings, after flipping long on the USD pairings, Luna did the opposite, right? You can see that it actually gave the early signal.
Yeah.
That's why Luna has been one of the front runners in the market over here, right? Because it started moving before Bitcoin. It's been long for 50 days now. In fact, the returns have been one of the best on the dashboard when you compare to the other coins with similar market cap, of course. So yeah, I'm really liking Luna, guys. Keep an eye on it. Again, coins are strong. Continue to remain strong. Kusha, any final thoughts before? So good. Any final thoughts before we
No,
leave?
this is it. I mean, it's a very simple trade right now, guys. It's a beautiful bullish consolidation. We're seeing a breakout right now. Keep it simple for yourself, and these are our targets. If you have to rewind and go and note down targets, definitely do so. That's why we mention it out aloud, so you guys may do that. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That's all we have for you until tomorrow. And with this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.
Ciao, guys.